In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create attribution reports in Hubspot. Attribution reports help you understand which marketing efforts are driving results, so you can see what is influencing new contacts, new deals, or revenue over time. To begin, log into HubSpot and look at the main navigation. Go to Reporting, and then select Reports. This is the central place where HubSpot stores saved reports and where you can build new ones. Once you are on the Reports page, move to the top right corner and click Create Report. This opens the report builder and lets you choose the type of report you want to create. From the available options, select Attribution Report and then click Next to continue. Choosing the attribution report type is important because it is designed to connect outcomes, like revenue, back to the interactions that influence them. Now you will choose what you want to measure. Select one of the available goals: Contact Create, Deal Create, or Revenue. Contact Create is useful when you want to focus on lead generation. Deal Create is helpful for tracking what drives new opportunities. Revenue is best when you want to tie marketing interactions directly to closed income. After you select your goal, you will see a list of sample reports. Click a sample report from the list that best matches what you are trying to analyze. Starting with a sample report is a good way to save time, because it gives you a working structure that you can refine instead of building from scratch. Next, look near the top of the report where you can adjust your settings. Update the date range so it matches the time period you want to evaluate. A shorter range can help you spot recent trends, while a longer range gives you a more complete view. Then choose the attribution model at the top. This setting determines how HubSpot assigns credit across the interactions that led to your selected goal. So take a moment to pick the model that fits your reporting needs. When everything looks correct, go to the top right and click Save. Give your report a clear descriptive name so you can find it easily later, especially if you plan to share it with your team. That covers everything you need to know.